Hey guys, so let's start with the fourth problem of 30 days of JavaScript. This is day 4. We will be doing counter 2 problem. Let's start. So we need to write a function createCounter. It should accept an initial integer init and return an object with 3 functions. The 3 functions are increment, decrement and reset. So what it says that increment function increases the value by 1 and then returns the new value. Decrement reduces the current value by 1 and then returns it, and reset sets it to the init and then returns it. So what we can do here is first write the 3 functions. So increment is the first function, and then we have decrement, and another function we have is reset. We'll be needing a local variable here, that will be counter, and we'll set it to init at first. And what this increment will do, it will return us the pre-increment of the counter value to return us the incremented value, and will also increment the value. Similarly for decrement, we'll do with pre-decrement operator, and for reset we'll be returning the counter by setting it to init. Okay, and once this is done, we just need to return these 3 functions from this function. And let's run this code. So we can see the 2 sample test cases are running. They are functioning properly. Let's submit this. So our function ran properly. It is working as expected. Let's see this function once again. It's a createCounter function. We are having a local variable here, counter, assigning it to the init, which is being passed from this createCounter function. Now we have 3 inside functions, child functions: increment, decrement and reset. Increment returns the counter by incrementing it by 1. Decrement does it by decrementing it by 1, and reset sets the counter to the init value. And we'll be returning these functions from this createCounter function, and like this way we'll be able to solve this. Thank you.